Aaron. Hi.
Hi. Was that creepy?
It was creepy. What book did we read?
Cinderella.
And who read the book?
Me.
Did I read it?
No.
Nope. You read it, right? Did you have help?
No. A little bit.
A little bit. And
Cinderella.
who's in the book?
Cinderella, fairy godmother, princess, mices, and everything.
Okay, now tell me about the book.
I can read by myself.
Well, what's it about?
Cinderella.
And what happens?
She loses her slipper.
Does she lose her slipper at home? Where does she lose her slipper at?
At the ball.
And did you like this book?
Love it because I read it by myself.
Yeah? So, how many stars are we giving this book? I gotta turn it over so I can see. Awesome. Woo! It's throwaway. Thank you, Aaron.
Vroom vroom, you're welcome. Bye.